In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court of India on Thursday said that all women, irrespective of their marital status, are entitled to get safe and legal abortion. The bench, led by Justice DY Chandrachud and comprising Justice AS Bopanna and JP Paridwala, said the distinctions between the married and unmarried women for the purpose of Medical Terminations of Pregnancy (MTP) Act is artificial, unconstitutional, unsustainable, as it presages only if the married women indulge in sexual activities. While interpreting the MTP Act and the rules to eliminate discrimination between married and unmarried women for allowing abortion till the 24 weeks of pregnancy, the bench noted the provision in the MTP Act need to be fine-tuned according to the social realities and demands of the time. The bench noted that the present unamended Act of 1971 only took into consideration married women at the time. Last month, while allowing a 25-year-old unmarried woman to terminate her pregnancy of 24 weeks, the Supreme Court had said that there appeared to be no logical reason to allow a married woman or woman to do so under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and the rules framed under it, but denying the same to unmarried women even though the risk is same for both.
And on this delicate matter on which Supreme Court has passed the order, I feel as a woman, women should have the right to decide what happens to their bodies. So, whether it is abortion or any other health related issue, women should have the complete say. Now, the question is whether the girl is married or unmarried. The issue is here that when you are a mother, you have to look after a child emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and the mother also has to be emotionally, spiritually, mentally prepared that I am going to nurture this child to the best of my abilities. Now, when all these parameters are not met, then it is not fair for the girl or the woman to become a mother. Becoming mother and becoming a responsible person for another human being is a huge responsibility, and to keep that relationship a very sensitive and healthy one, it is better for society to have mothers who are responsible and to have children who are well nurtured emotionally, mentally, physically, and that is very important for our society at large.
Today, I'm very happy to hear that the Supreme Court has stated that the women have a safe and legal right for abortion. I mean, irrespective whether you're married or unmarried. Because today, a lot of women, do not get the support either from their fiance, their husbands, or their boyfriends. And some of them are either forced to have, children in spite of they not wanting to. So these rights are very important for the women so that, we can decide what we want for our future. With everything increasing and the lifestyle being so expensive, having a child being brought into this world is a big responsibility. So that solely depends on the mother. And I think so we as a country had this legal right for the last 50 years. And today, even Supreme Court, supporting it and stating the same, where up to 24 weeks even, a woman can have abortion when she takes that decision last minute. I think so. Thank you so much, because this will open up the eyes of our society where women should not be forced, and women have the right to have the children when they want and how many children that they want to have.
The story by Clinton D'Souza for Herald TV.